Mic test. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's live, guys. How's life so far in this live? Fantastic day to you all. Okay, today we have secondary math live, okay, on social media. And I am going to go through indices with you guys. So if you have friends who want to learn more mathematics, okay, you can invite them anytime. Anyone can join in. Okay, guys, this is actually for Sec 3, 4 and 5. But if you are in Sec 1 and 2, it is still something that you can join and you can learn. Okay, you can join in, you can learn still. Okay, now I want to ask you guys a question. What is your answer for the first question for today? Today we are doing indices, guys. Okay, good day, Jess. Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's live. Hope everyone is doing fine as well. Amsha, welcome. Okay, you wanted indices, so today we are doing indices, so please stay on for 90 minutes. Not 90 minutes lah, okay. Probably just about 1 hour or slightly less, okay? Friends, how is your day? How is your holiday so far? Safia, this is Sec 3, 4 and 5. But again, you can tune in and you can learn still, no problem. Okay? Friends, how is your holiday so far? Let me know in the chat. You all enjoying your holidays or not? Enjoying your holidays? IDT, I can finish a lot of homework. Okay, start sooner, start fast. Okay, don't do last minute revision all. Okay, the rest of you, how's your holidays, guys? Okay, history, entire 2 history books. OMG. Power dah je. Amcha. I start already. Okay. Are you all causing havoc at home? To your parents? Is that what's happening in the holidays? Okay, answer is 26 ah. You sure? 26? Okay. Alright. Okay, those who just joined the live today, please don't forget to like this live, guys. Like this live, alright, so that more people can enjoy the lesson today on indices and they can benefit as well. Friends, don't forget to double tap. Come on, let's go to 1,000 very, very soon. 1,000 likes. Okay. Friends, thank you so much. Thanks for all the love. Heart shape for you guys. Reject. Okay, what's the answer for this? Is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Which is your best option for question number 1 on indices? Today's live is on indices, guys. Wow, almost 1,000 already. Now we're at 747, 762 likes. 778, wow, not bad, you guys. You're really spamming the likes. 26, Russia. Okay. Okay lah, 1,000 already. Wow, you guys awesome ah. Okay. Thank you for that. Alright. Okay, thanks. Okay, come. Let's get back to this. 1937, Japan invade China. Okay, this is history. Unfortunately, this is not masterhistory.com. This is mastermaths.com. Okay. 1939, Germany invade Poland. Okay, that is due to Adolf Hitler. Okay, Hitler is the one who invaded. Okay, guys, what's your answer for this? A, B, C, D. I'm still waiting, Friends, which one is it? Which is your answer for this? A, B, C, D. 100. Let's go. A. Some of you. Ayala says A. Raihan Sok says B. Okay. Some more. Alright. Some more. Some of you say E, 26 is the answer. Sure, bo. Okay. Guys, I put one more option for you all. 26. Which is your option now? A, B, C, D, E. I should have put 5 options today for this first question. Guys, A, B, C, D, E. Which one is it? E or B? Okay, can guys. Okay, noted. Okay. Okay, fantastic. Okay, is it A, B, C, D or is it E? Anyone? Okay, let me discuss with you guys now. In indices, friends. Not reliable, how can it be there? The correct answer is not an option. Okay, 26 is there, part E. Okay. Now, part E is the one. Probably this one is supposed to be 26 lah. Okay, that's why it's probably a typo. Okay, anyways. How do we get our answer for this question? 2 to the power of k divided by 1 over 8. What's 1 over 8? 1 over 2 cube. And this is 2 to the power of 29. Okay, listen up to this explanation. Academia, okay, you may want to listen up to this as well, so that I can explain to you the option for this, or the answer, the step-by-step solution. Okay, not just the final answer, okay, but also the step-by-step solution. Now friends, 1 over 8 is 1 over 2 cube, which is 2 to the power of k divided by 2 to the power of negative 3. Okay, this will be equal to 2 to the power of 29 as well. Okay, and when you have a division sign there, you basically minus the power. Alright, so 2 to the power of k minus what? Minus negative 3, and this will be 2 to the power of 29. Okay, so when you minus, please put in a bracket like this, so that the minus becomes a plus, so this becomes 2 to the power of k plus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power of 29. Now friends, what is the reason for making the base the same? So that we can compare the powers. Okay, so k plus 3 is gonna be equal to 29, and therefore k is equal to 29 minus 3. Many of you actually got the correct answer, which is 26, which is this particular option. My friends, let us move on to the next page. Now, the next page is when I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to give you guys all the laws for indices. Okay, so what you can do now, you can actually go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do a screenshot. A screenshot all these laws of indices. Okay, all these laws of indices, you can do a screenshot or take a picture or something. Okay, haven't copied yet. Okay, I give you all some time. Go and copy this first. Come. Okay, 26 should be the answer for this question. Thanks for pointing it out. Okay, you guys are correct. Okay, 26. Okay, so more importantly, go through the steps one by one. That's very important. Okay, now the second page, my friends, I need to move on to the second page. And guys, those who just joined today's live, please don't forget to smash the share button. Guys, I give you 5 seconds to do this. Okay, share this live so that more students can benefit from it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, super. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, let's go on to the next page. Part 2 of indices, whereby I'm going to go through all the indices law. Now, the first law that we have, guys, is about multiplication. When you have the same base, you basically add the powers. Very simple. So I'll give you an example. Okay, let's go through some examples on this. Okay, so let's say you have 2 cube times 2 to the power of 5. Now, since the base is the same, the first law is telling you that you can just add the power. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3 plus 5, which is 8. Okay, now the next one is about division. Now, let's say you're dividing by the same base. For example, 7 to the power of 8 divided by 7 to the power of 2. Now, since you're dividing by the same base, you can just minus the power. Okay, guys, that's what the second law is telling you. So this becomes 7 to the power of 8 minus 2, and that is 6. Okay, very powerful rules and laws of indices that we have here for us. Okay, we can use this to our advantage. Whenever we have the same base, divide and times, you can use these two laws. Okay, let me draw a line here. Okay, guys, next one. The third property is when there is a bracket. What do you do to remove the bracket? Again, if I want to remove the bracket, what do I have to do? Let's see. Example, 8 to the power of 5. Outside the bracket, there is a negative 2. How do I remove the bracket? Law number 3 is telling you that yes, you can remove the bracket, but you got to times the power. Is that clear? You got to times the power. So m times n, mn. Or in this case, 5 times negative 2, that is 8 to the power of negative 10. 明白吗? Purida, faham tak? Samjhe hai? Are you all okay so far? Super. Let's go on to the fourth one. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, now the fourth one is like that. If you have anything to the power of 0, it is just 1, always, all the time. Again, I repeat, anything to the power of 0 is just 1. So for example, let's say you have 7 to the power of 0, this is just 1. Okay, or example, another example. Let's say you have negative 5 to the power of 0. This is just 1. Guys, let me know in the comment section, okay? I have another question for you right now. Let's say you have negative 6 to the power of 0. What will this be equals to? Can you tell me what is the question mark here, guys? What is the question mark here? Over here, what is it? Negative 6 to the power of 0. Be very careful, friends. Be very careful about this. Okay? Negative 6 to the power of 0. What is that? It's not 1, huh? Many of you said 1 just now. Oh my gosh. The 0 is only attached to 6. So this side here is 1. This side here is 1. But there's a minus in front. Remember that? So it's minus 1. Okay? So this is minus 1. Please be very mindful about this. Whoever the 0 is attached to, that item entirely will become 1. But if there's a minus, there is no 0 attached to the minus sign. So the minus sign still stays. Okay, it still stays. Now, if you are able to understand this, alright, if you are able to comprehend this, there's no way for you all to give me a thumbs up. Maybe put a yes in the chat or give me a double tap. Tang 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 tang. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Okay, let's go on to the next example, guys. Okay, let's go on to the next example. Okay, the next one, right, is for negative powers. So let's say, for example, okay, we have negative power like this. Okay, we can change the power to a positive power. How do I do that? Just put it into a fraction. Okay, just put it into a fraction. So as an example, okay, as an example, let's say you have a 5 to the power of negative 2. You can put it into a fraction and the power will automatically change signs. As simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. So, all this means, right, is that when you switch the indices from top to bottom, from numerator to denominator, the powers will just switch signs. Understand? So, as an example, guys, as another example, let's say you have 1 over 8 to the power of negative 3. Guys, go and take this example down somewhere. If you want to change to positive power, again, the trick is this. Just switch it up and down, that's all. Switch it up and down. So basically, if you change the location to up, the power will become positive. This is a trick you can use. It works both ways. Okay? Both ways. 1 is done, 2 is done, 3 is done, 4 is done, 5 also done. Property number 6. Let's say right now you have a fractional power. Okay, friends, you have a fractional power, a to the power of 1 over m. If you have a fractional power, the denominator of that fraction will tell you the type of root that it is. What do I mean? Such a long statement. I'll give you an example. Okay, I'll give you an example. Let's say you have 9 to the power of 1/3. The power is a fraction. The power is a fraction. This is Sec 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so if you are Sec 1 and 2, you can join in and learn, no problem. Okay, now if your power is a fraction, look at the denominator, guys. The denominator will tell you what type of root is it. What type of root is it? So this is going to be a cube root. A cube root of 9. Understand? I repeat. Power fraction, look at denominator. Denominator will tell you the type of root. Full stop. Okay. Another example. Let's say you have x to the power of 1/4. This is going to be a 4th root of x. Why? Fraction power, look at the denominator. Denominator will tell you the type of root. Full stop. Okay, full stop. Now, with that, this example is done. Example 6. Now, we go on to example 7. Now, for 7, again, your power is fraction. Fraction power. The 1 is just attached to x. The 9 has a 1 there. That's all. That's all. Okay? So guys, for question 7, right, again your power is a fraction. So how do I deal with this? Okay, how do I deal with this? Example. Okay, example. Let's say now you have 81 to the power of 2/3. Oh my gosh, fraction power, no problem. When you have a fraction power, look at the denominator. Denominator first. Okay, denominator is 3. Okay, I have a cube root, no problem. 81 has a power of 2. The 2 will attach to 81. Okay? Square like that. Okay? Another example. Let's say you have 25. Okay, I use different color this time. Okay, let's say you have 25. Let's say 5/2. Again, fractional power. Look at the denominator. That will tell you the type of root. This is a square root. It's a square root 25. Okay, no problem. Square root, no need to put 2 here. There's no need for that. It's understood it's a square root. So you just leave it as a square root like that. And inside there will be 25. And this 5 is attached to the 25. Okay, the 5 is attached to the 25. So 25 to the power of 5. That's all. Square root, inside the square root is 25 to the power of 5. Guys, 7 properties, if you master them, you are going to do really, really well. When are you ending the live? Okay, today, I think before 9 you end already. Okay, today before 9. Okay guys, those who just joined the live today, welcome to the session. Okay, we are doing indices revision. So we just did like all the properties of indices. So please don't forget to follow MasterMaths at the top here. Okay, there's a follow button there where you can get a free live lessons. Okay, we do lots of free tutorials as well. Okay, coach, will you be doing matrices or vectors? Very, very confusing, vectors and matrices. Yes, vectors definitely is in plans. Okay, vectors for O levels, matrices also. Okay, if my N level get grade 1, can buy me food, yes, or buy me my new FB stick. What's FB stick? I don't know what is that. Do you have tuition center or anything? Yes, we do. Okay, our tuition center is known as mastermaths.com.sg. Okay, if you get Jess, floorball, Jess, you are our student for so many years. Okay, I really want you all to do well. Okay, Jessica as well. Okay, if you do well for your N level, you get A1, definitely something will be there for you. Okay, something positive. Alright, but don't think about that so much. Go full force, Jess. This year, go full force. How many of you are taking N level or O level this year? Please put me in the chat box. Or please double tap. Let me see how many double taps is there. Wow, quite a number of you who are taking the national exams. Sure, how are you in Zoom? Is there a Zoom link? No, there's no. We don't give out the Zoom link. We are only on the social media for now. Okay, only on the social media for now. Okay, no need to be scared. Okay, those of you who are doing national exams, no need to be scared, guys. Let me guarantee you something. Okay, the questions that will be tested in the exams, okay, they will not be taken from Mars or Jupiter or Venus or planet Pluto. Voice is repeating. I don't understand why. Yeah. Okay. So it will not be taken from all these other. It will be taken from planet Earth and what? Let me just reduce the volume here. Oh, no wonder. Okay. And most of the questions you have seen it before, you have learned before as well. Okay. First answer, I just give it to you here. Answer is 26. You can do a screenshot, right hand salt. Okay, do a screenshot. Okay. Okay, guys, let's go on to the next question for today. Do a screenshot, okay? So, friends, indices part 2. There's a next question for you guys. Okay, please try this out right now. Second one, first one. What do you mean second one, first? I don't understand that part. Right hand side, which part? Okay, those who just joined, welcome to today's live. We are doing indices practice. Okay, for secondary mathematics. Simplify to positive index notation. Okay, how to do this one? Okay, Dolfinaldo Mbappe, thank you very much for sharing this live. Okay, hang on, I'll sort later. I'll try. Can you show the notes part again? Okay, sure. Okay, go and do a screenshot. Okay, right hand sort, what you do, just take a screenshot first. Okay, at least you can study the question a little bit more. Okay. Now, guys, what's your answer for the next question? Simplify to positive index notation. How to do this, guys? Some of you are saying B. Okay. Thank you. Faham says it's B. Okay, Nirezi, thanks for liking this live as well. Really appreciate that. Fa, thanks for joining in. We're doing indices today. Okay. Thank you guys. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Which one is it, guys? I tell you what, I give you 1 more minute. You please try and give me your final answer for this. Let us go. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. 49 seconds, and then answer will be reviewed then. Let's go. Okay. Followed, remember me, Uzair, wait Uzair and my sister is, of course, Uzair, how are you? How's Umaira doing? Hope you're doing fine as well. Uzair and Umaira. How are y'all? Ask Umaira to join in. Uzair. She can learn. Many of you are saying C is the answer. Thanks, Uzair. Diablo. Positive index notation, so it's C. Okay, Fa, thanks. Alright, so the answer must be given in positive index notation. How do I get there? Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, let's discuss answer. So, how do we get to the final answer for this question? Okay, what you can do is deal with the numbers first, guys. 2 times 7 first. Okay, so we do 2 times 7 first, we get 14. Okay, very nice, settle. Okay, next one. We deal with the M. M for marvelous, M for marvel. Okay, by the way, are you all DC or are you all Marvel? Are you DC or are you Marvel? Which one is it? Raihan Sok says DC. Okay, who's Marvel here? Let me see how many DC, how many Marvel. Bernice, DC, Marvel. Farms, DC, Marvel. Okay. Karen, welcome to the live today. Oh, Marvel. What's up, people? MN, Marvel. Rohan, Marvel. Oh, so many Marvel fans here. So many Marvel fans. Nice. Ayura Elisa says Marvel. Amshad says Marvel also. Okay, Marvel the best. Will there be only one O-level crash? Will there be another one later in the year? Let's see. Skandar, we are not sure yet. So let's see, okay, if there's a chance. Power Ranger, high five, man. Jet, give me a high five. Give me a high five now. Pam! Power Ranger is the best. I love Power Ranger also. Okay? Well, there's a lot of Marvel fan. Disney. Okay. Disney, some of your friends saying Disney. Aina Fahmi says shoo. That's CR7. Okay. Please don't spam. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. Okay, thank you, Aina Fahmi. Okay, guys, so 2 times 7 first is 14. Captain Planet. Captain Mathematics. Transformers, yes. B. Okay, some of you are saying B is the answer. Drake. Drake. Of all people. Alright, man. Okay, guys. 2 times 7, 14. M cube times m to the power negative 5. We just did this indices law, right? When you times, you add the power. So m to the power of negative 3. So wait. M to the power of 3 plus negative 5. Okay, dot means times. N, next is n. N to the power of negative 4 plus 6. Again, friends, why plus? Because you are multiplying. Okay, so you plus the power. So this becomes 14m to the power of negative 2, n to the power of 2. Okay, hi Vale, how you grow your beard? Later I'll share with you my secret next time. Okay, next time I share with you my secret about the beard growing, okay? Okay, friends, 14 is already power 1. Okay, 14 is already power 1. N is already power 2. The only negative guy here is who? Guys, who is the only negative one here? The only negative fella? Positive guy 07. Thank you very much for your comments. Okay, guys, who is the only negative guy? It is M. M is the only negative guy. So what are you supposed to do? You gotta make it positive. Change its mindset. Even though it's M, the mindset is not so good. It has a negative mindset. Get it? $14, don't change. N square, don't change. Because they are all positive mindset already. But M is a negative mindset. We change it into a positive mindset. How to change signs? Just bring the M down. Finish. Answer for this question, option C. Sure, got something behind you. Hey, don't scare me, eh? Positive guy. Sure, got positive guy 07 says, sure, got something behind you. Hey, don't scare me, man. What's behind me? Okay, thanks for all the likes and the loves, guys. Okay, now we go on to question 3 next. Positive guy, I hope you understand how to change the negative from positive. Positive guy 07, I hope you understand how to change the negative from positive. Positive guy, thank you very much. Now let's go on. Angels giving you blessings, sure. Thank you very much. Hantu, oh my gosh, hantu apa? If you stop at B without, yes, it's wrong because I'm wanting in positive index here. Okay, I want in positive index. Hey guys, don't scare me lah. Today I'm alone at home, no. You are scaring me. My goodness. Okay. Sure, if they never say need bring is okay. If they say then cannot. Got zombie behind you. Yeah, correct. Okay, so what's that? Because of the positive index, right? You got no choice. You must give it in positive index notation. Okay. What ghost? Is it a good ghost? What do you call a good ghost? Bagus. I hope there's a bagus behind me. Thank you very much. Guys, how to solve this question? Please help me. How to find the x? Oh, some of you pretty fast on this, huh? Let me check. 2, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, how to find x? Is it option A, B, C, or D? Not hard lah, Safia. Come on, write it down. You can do it. You listen to Drake. Who? Me ah? Who's Drake? This one primary what? This is not primary. This is secondary 3, 4, and 5. Thank you very much for joining in. Those who just joined, don't forget to follow the live. At the top, there's a follow button. Please smash that follow button so that we are able to get there. Drake the musician. Yeah. Madhivanan. Good joke, sir. Thank you. Bagus. Okay, nice. Drake the musician. Yeah, I've heard about him, but I don't listen to his songs lah, unfortunately. Why Why positive guy? Why you ask about Drake? Drake. Let me write his name down. Positive guy says Drake. Positive guy, your what is that? Your indices must be good because of your positiveness. Okay. Is there a crash course for N level? For now, no. But for N level, right? Miss Sharifah, you're asking this. For N level, for now until the end, what we do is a lot of revision in our regular classes. So even if you join the regular ones, right, you will be exposed to all the concepts again. Because we do practice papers a lot every week for N levels. Okay, even for O levels, same thing now. For our regular classes, we are doing like revision after revision after revision. Okay. Sorry, positive guy, let me see what you say. You look like Drake. Okay, thank you very much for that compliment. I hope it's a compliment and not a complaint. Thank you. You look like Drake. Okay. I don't think I look like Drake. I think Drake looks like me. Correct, not? Just kidding. Okay, guys, how to do this? Answer is 2. Sure? Are you sure? Let's go. Okay, friends. I tell you what, I need to time you guys, otherwise you take your own sweet time. Come, let's go. Okay, let me see the messages now. Yesterday was a tough day for you, bro. Random dude, why you say that? C is the correct answer, okay. This question so easy, my ama can do. Sure or not? What you watch on Netflix, I don't really watch so much Netflix lah. Random dude, please explain your point. Why yesterday was a tough day? Okay, answer is C. Okay, time's up, guys. Time's up. Okay, how do I find the answer for this? Is it A, is it B, is it C, is it D? Now, in this style of questions, guys, what we need to do now is to understand that there are a lot, friends, there are a lot of 7 to the power of x. Okay, I'll give you an example. Let's say, okay, maths make me crave for noodles. Okay, nice. Okay, let's say you have 2a plus a plus a plus a. How many a is that? Can you let me know in the chat as well, guys? Okay, let's say you have 2a plus a plus a plus a. How many a is this? Any ideas? Nezuko Kamado, Nurul, thank you very much. Shakiri. How many a is? 5a, right? 5 groups of a, am I right? 5. So 2a plus 1a plus 1a plus, oh, 5a. Okay, so you have 5a. So guys, 5 times of a. So what does that mean? Okay, what does that mean? That means you have 5 times of this group. Understand? It's not a in this question. It's not a in this question. It is 7 to the power of x. So instead of saying 5 times of a, you say 5 times of 7 to the power of x. And that will be equivalent to 245. Very nice. Okay, now what you can do, you can remove the 5. 7 to the power of x is equals to 245. Divide by 5. 7 to the power of x is equals to 49, my friends. Okay, it's equals to 49. And what happens next? Positive guy, focus. Okay, what happens next? 7 to the power of x is equals to 49 is 7 square. So with that, you can therefore say x is equals to 2. Therefore, x is 2. Guys, what is your option now? A, B, C or D? Which one is it? Which one is it? Answer is option C. My friends, if you understand this explanation, could you give me a double tap? Double tap, double tap. Alright, awesome. Okay, let's go on to the next page. Last question for the day. And let us begin on the next question. Question 4 on indices as well. Okay, I am angry right now. Anders, what happened to you? Anders. Okay, hope you are doing fine, Mr. Anders. Okay, my guys, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, we have one last question for today. This is pretty challenging. Okay, could you all try this question right now? Okay, this one is, I would say, super level for maths. How you grow your beard though, looks damn nice. Okay, thanks. Next time lah, I share with you the secret. Okay. Find the value of 81 to the power of x. Okay, friends, I tell you what, give yourself 3 minutes. I want to see who can get this correct. Anders says 729 is the answer. Okay, nice. I already know the answer. Okay, Anders, good job from you. Fantastic. Let your friends try, okay? Let your friends try. So those who just joined, welcome. I am angry. Why are you angry, Anders? Giga Chad. Okay. Friends who just joined, we are doing indices practice today. Okay, for secondary school math. And you guys have 2+ minutes to try. My dog misbehaved. Okay, sorry to know that. So you can flex your muscle another time lah, yo. So you do sec 1 life scores I am. Yes, we will do that as well, don't worry. Okay? There will be other levels as well, like, you know, we will mix it up lah. Anything we do is relevant for secondary maths. Flex my muscle another time. He never listens. I asked him to sit and he never listens. Okay. Tom, can I treat you prata soon? How many prata you want to treat me? Nezuko, P6 on Tuesdays. Tuesdays, 8 p.m. Okay, Tuesday 8 p.m. is the PSLE live. Okay, you can join that. Thank you, Nezuko. Yay! Jen says yay, awesome. Yesterday y'all didn't join. Okay, y'all should join what? Yesterday, P6 is yesterday. Today is secondary. Today is Sec 3 Maths, Tom. Now we're doing Sec 3. Can I get $5 sent to my pay now? No, of course not. And this is not a place to request for money. It's a place to learn. Thank you. 50 seconds. Hair tutorial, beard tutorial. Next time we can do a challenge like that, and this. Next time, not now. Okay. Sec 1 Maths, not sure when. Okay, but just stay tuned, guys. Okay, who wants me to do A Maths? Just give me a double tap. Let me see how many double taps I can get. I'm getting more angry, and this. Relax, man. Okay. So what days you do Sec 3? Double tap. Okay, nice. A Maths 3 go. Yeah, sure. We will do that. Okay, we will find some days to do A Maths as well, okay? Like polynomials, logarithms and all. I stuck. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's go. Take off, guys. Elon Musk is taking off. Very nice. Question 4, let's go. Oh my gosh, how to do this question? So complicated. They don't even want to find x. They want to find square root 81 to the power of x. Okay? They don't want x. Okay, they want square root 81 to the power of x. Okay? So let us discuss this particular question. So what you can do, again, for the first statement here, change all your base to base 3. Okay, guys. Change all your base to base 3. So on the left side, very nice already, is base 3, 2x minus 5 times 3, 2x minus 1 equals to square root 81 to the power of x. 81 to the power of x. I told you guys, if you have a square root, okay, you can put it as a fractional power, 1 over 2. Remember, if your power is fraction and the denominator is a 2, that means you actually have a square root. Now, next, 3 to the power of 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 1. Why plus? Why plus? Because I have a times and the same base is there. Okay, 81, press the calculator, is 3 to the power of 4. Alright, so a 3 to the power of 4x to the power of half. Is that okay, guys? So, and then we plus a 3 to the power of 4x minus 6. And this will be equals to, when you have a bracket, you can times the power. Do you understand this particular question? I hope this is clear for everybody. 4x times half is 2x. 2x is there. Understand? Super. Now, my friends, once you make the base the same, you are then allowed to compare the powers. Is that clear, my friends? So when you compare the powers, you're going to get 4x minus 6 is equals to 2x. 4x minus 2x is equivalent to 6. And 2x is equivalent to 6. And x is equals to 6. Divide this by 2. X is equivalent to 3. Very nice. Okay, one more time, I will discuss this entire portions with you. So when you guys have, hang on for a while, guys. Okay, when you guys have, like, you know, a 3, 3 and an 81 there on the other side, 81 can be changed to 3 to the power of 4. Okay, and then you have a bracket for yourself. You can times the powers to remove the bracket. A 4x, a minus 4x times half is 2x. We are not done with the final answer yet. Wait, relax first. Relax first, guys. Okay, this is not the final answer yet. Okay, so you remove the bracket, 4x times half is 2x. Now, what you can do is to equate the powers. To equate the powers. Alright, so 4x minus 6 is 2x. So you bring all the x's to one side, you can solve for x is just 3, but this is not the final answer. Why is that so? The question is not asking for x. Question is asking for... Hang on, somebody's calling. Who is this? Wait, huh? Oh my gosh, what a time to call me. Okay, hang on. Okay guys, they don't want x. Question wants you to find square root 81 to the power of x. Understand? So what is the value of square root 81 to the power of x? That's what they want. So what you do is this, guys. Okay, square root 81 to the power of 3. Understand? Because x is 3, you pump it back here. And you are now able to tell the examiner that, hey, I know my indices. I win in my indices. Okay, fantastic guys. Okay, I really appreciate all your focus today. Despite it being holidays, wow, we are able to get quite a number of views here today. Okay, fantastic, man. Let me take a look. Ta-da! Okay, thank you. Super. Who got answer first? I am not sure. I need to check. Excel XT waiting for you to come home. Coach, why is it 81 power x bracket power half? Why is it not 81 bracket x over 2? That's also fine. You can do it that way also. It's the same thing. 1 radian. Storm Batty, are you talking about discussing about angles? Okay. Okay, friends, so what do? You press your calculator, you get your answer already. Okay, press the calculator, square root 81 to the power of 3. What happens? Square root 81 power 3, and you get Thomas L. Fantastic. You get an answer of 729, which is the final answer for this particular question, which is option C. My friends, this is our final. Yes, sure, you can see the question. Okay, here you go. Let me just zoom out a little bit. Sec 1 is when? Okay, Sec 1, again, every Wednesday night, right, we will do secondary maths. Okay, sometimes we will do Sec 3 maths, sometimes we will do Sec 1 maths, so it really depends. Depends, okay, but we will do the entire mathematics years on Wednesday at 8 p.m. Okay, so friends, thank you very much. Today's live is basically done. I've gone through indices. I really hope that it helps you guys. Friends, those of you who are online today, right now, friends, do me a favor, smash that follow button because we give out lots of free tutorials. We really want to help many students with our free classes, with our free tutorial as well. Okay, so I give out 5 seconds now. Before you leave, can you do me a favor or not? Smash that follow button, smash the double tap. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Amen. Thank you so much. Okay, hebat. Thank you very much for all your wonderful efforts. Okay, thanks for your follows and all these. Somebody is asking which is the hardest branch of maths for you. Not a 3 branch for sure, but probably some geometry stuff lah. Okay, great, power. Wow, thanks for all your praises. I really appreciate that. Okay. So if you like to learn more, can you use logs and exponentials? Definitely it's possible, but there's no need for that here. You can just use some indices laws to help you out. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed today's live. Today is a Wednesday. I wish you all the best for the remaining of your days in this week. Thanks for the McDonald's you paid for my sister. Who's that? Which sister? I don't know, I can't remember. Okay, Chloe Muichiro, you explain better than my school teacher. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so real. Okay. Guys, I hope that you learn a lot and you always go for your dreams because... Oh, Raisha. Okay, guys. Yes, see. Thank you very much. Okay. Ryan Salt, thanks, man. Okay, so we'll catch up again, guys. Take care and have a good night. Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks. Follow for more. Thank you very much, Madhivadan. Thanks so much for your wonderful blessings and all. Thank you. Follow for more. Pop, pop, pop. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, guys. Super. How come there's so many of you still online despite the lesson being over? Isn't it time to Z? Z means sleep. Okay, anyways. I'll see you all again, guys. Take care and have a wonderful June. Can't wait, what's that? Okay.